So today is the morning before the Ironman and I'm really excited. I've laid out all of my equipment here, so maybe it can help you out in figuring out what do you need for a triathlon. So this is my equipment. Let's start with the swim. The swimming goggles. Inside the case I have the anti-fog marker and also the swim cap, even though I don't need it because most of the competition they provide you your own swim cap. For the bicycle I have my helmet, 2 bottles of water. One is designated to be the isotonic drink bottle and this one should be the water bottle because it has more isolation. This is the polar bottle. I'm gonna use cycling socks, my cycling shoes, cycling shirt. In this bag I have all of the puncture equipment. I have here 2 inner tubes, multi-tool, and also tire levers and inflator. This is my triathlon shorts, energy bar. I don't have enough, but I will buy 2 more at least. This energy bar, what I like about it is you can see here that you have 2 inside. So for my half Ironman, I'm going to use 3 of those. I have here gels, salt tab, my bike computer, some kind of a marker if you need to write the number on your body, my Chorus Space 2 watch, Polar Verity Sense heart rate monitor, and of course sunscreen and anti-chafing cream. For the running part, inside the triathlon shorts I have 2 pockets. Each pocket can hold this kind of gel. And also I've put on my running belt. This belt is also for the cycling. Some races demand that you will have your number also when you cycle. So this belt will contain those 2 gels. Also, because it's a long race and I want to feel comfortable, I'm going to change to a running tee. Also, running hat, running socks, running shoes, and the striped foot pod. This will help me with my pacing. Also, I have this large towel to lay out all of my equipment. And don't forget to have some personal towel, like a small one, because when you exit the water and you want to change to your cycling shoes, you will have difficulties if your legs will be wet. This will help you to dry out your legs. If you have any question, don't forget to leave a comment down below and tell me about your own race as well. I will come up with a follow-up video to tell you how it went during the competition. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.